Hey guys, welcome to Cute Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Lucario. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the nose with a curve out to the left and back in. Now top on top of the nose and let's draw a curve up and over to the right side. And now at the top here, let's add the first ear with a curve going up and a long curve back down, stopping at the same level as the nose. And then let's add the other ear on top with a curve up and back down. And now at the bottom, let's draw two curves in, leaving a small gap in the middle here. And then two lines down for the neck. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the details. Let's start with an angle up for the eye. And then a curve underneath. Now inside the eye, let's draw a curve down from the top and back up. And then a skinny oval inside. And color this in black. Now for the pattern on the face, we're going to start at the top and draw a curve down and bring it up to the left. Now let's add another curve down in the center. And then bring it up on the right side. Now top down inside the nose and let's draw a small angle up. And bring it over to the right. And then in the bottom section, let's draw a curve down for the mouth. Now we're going to hop to the top, and inside each ear, let's draw two curves up, meeting at a point. And then bring it up inside like this to close off the bottom. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's hop down and start the body. Underneath the neck, let's draw a zigzag line across. And then on each side of the head, let's draw two angles down. And a zigzag line out underneath each side. Now let's hop underneath in the center and let's draw a small curve. And add a spike out to the left. Now on the right side, let's draw the top of the arm by drawing two curves, leaving a small gap open on the side. Now we're going to add the sides of the body with a curve down underneath. And then on the left, let's start from the top, let's curve it down to the spike and continue it below. And then let's add the top of the left arm with a curve out and back in. Now let's continue the body by curving it out and down. And the same thing on the right, bringing it further out like this. Now top to the center, and let's draw a curve down on an angle. And another one underneath on the left. And then let's curve out each side to close off each leg. Now let's hop in and let's add some details. Just under the waist here, let's draw a spiky line. And then curve it up on each side. Then let's hop down underneath and let's add another curve across. And that's it for the center part of the body. Now let's move back up and add the arms. Let's start inside the right arm and let's add a small curve. And then 2 angles out. Now from the top, let's bring it out. And then we're going to add a spike by drawing a point up. And close off the bottom. Now on the other side, let's continue the hand out and down. Now let's add the next finger with another bent line underneath. And then one more. And bring it up. And then let's add a curve to close off the bottom of the hand. Lastly, inside, let's add a zigzag line across. And 2 small curves on top of each finger. Now let's hop over and let's draw the left arm. Let's start with 2 angles going down. Then from the top, let's draw a bump out. And again, let's add a spike up. Now for the finger, let's bring it out and back in. Another one underneath. And then one more. And up. And let's close off the hand with a curve down. And again, let's add a zigzag line across inside. And 2 small curves on top of the fingers. And that's it for the arms. Now we're going to hop back up to the head and let's draw a large curve down and back up on the right side. And then underneath, let's add another curve like this. Now let's do the same on the left side. Let's start under the head and let's start with a curve down. And a larger curve down and back in. Now we're done with the upper body. Let's move to the bottom and add the legs. Underneath the left side, let's draw 2 curves down. And 2 curves down and out underneath. Now from the bottom of the right side, let's bring it over to the left. And then from the other line, let's curve it out and down. Now let's add the toes by curving it in, a curve down and over, and then one more. And then inside the leg, let's add a small line down. Now let's hop over, and for the right leg, we're going to draw 2 angles over to the right side. Angle it down on the left. And then from the right line, let's bring it out with a small line and down, making it longer than the other side. Now at the bottom, let's add the toe by bringing it out and down and curve it in. Now let's add 2 more toes by curving it down and across. And then inside, let's add 2 angled lines. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the right, next to the top of the leg, let's curve it up to the hand and another curve underneath. Then for the hand, let's curve it down and back in. And that's it for Lucario. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!